degrees are measured in two main ways. We can just do a decimal format where we have, the whole number 38 degrees and then 0.52 degrees. But we also have the thing called degrees, minutes, and seconds. This is where that decimal portion is actually separated, where 1 degree is divided into 60 equal units, and those units are called minutes, and then every minute is divided into 60 equal seconds. And this is a common form for partial degrees. So here's how we can convert between the two. Here, with this example, write the degree measure 38.52 degrees in degree, minute, seconds format. So we have 38 degrees, and then we have 0.52 degrees. And all we need to do here is say, well, I need to know what 0.52 times the 60 minutes is, how many minutes that would give me. So I'm going to do 60. Okay, and then minutes we denote with just a single little tick mark. Okay. So let's go ahead and put that here in our calculator. 0.52 times the 60. All right, that gives us 31.2. So we'll do this. This is equal to 31.2, and this is, again, in minutes. Now, that decimal part we don't want, so we're going to take that 0.2, and we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds, and so we want to find out what 0.2 minutes is in seconds. So we take 0.2, and we're going to multiply by 60 seconds to find what portion we have. So again, in our calculator, 0.2 times 60, and we get 12. So this is 12 seconds. So we have our 38 degrees, and then the 0.52 degrees gave us 31 minutes and 12 seconds. So that's converting from decimal form to degree, minute, seconds form. And we can go the other direction. Here we have this example, right? The angle 127 degrees, 53 minutes, and 16 seconds in decimal format. And this actually is quite a bit easier, I think. We have the 127 degrees. And then this 53 minutes, we can write that as, that's 53 out of the 60 minutes. And so we'll just add those. That'll give us a little bit more of the degrees. Okay. And then plus the 16. Now that's 16 out of the 60 portions of a minute, but a minute is 1/60th of a degree. And so down here would have 60 times 60, which is 3,600. Okay. So from degree, minutes, seconds, we just add the minutes over 60 and then add the seconds over 3,600. And that will give us the decimal format. So let's go ahead and do that. We have 127 plus we have 53 over 60, and then plus we have 16 over 3,600. Okay. Now this gives me a fraction form in this calculator, the TI-34 multiview. I'm going to go ahead and convert that to a fraction, and that's this up here, F to D. So click second that and hit enter. All right, and we want our decimal format. It does not say what to round to, and so I'm going to go ahead and just round to 2 decimal places, 127.89. Now, some calculators, in fact, most calculators, I think, will actually have the ability to convert between degree, minutes, seconds, and decimal format for us. So let me go ahead and show that to you. I'm going to go ahead and start with this decimal 38.52, 38.52. And in this calculator, it's going to be, I believe, in angle here. So second math to get angle. And you can see right here, it says DMS. Let's see if it gives me, if I scroll down, you can see this little arrow to DMS. So that says convert to degree minute seconds. So we hit enter. It's going to take this decimal form and convert to degree minute seconds. And we hit enter. And you can see that it gives us that that we had gotten before. Okay. Now the degree minute seconds, to get in decimal format, we simply will type this in with those units, and it'll give us the decimal form. So 127, again into angle and degrees, that's that first one there. And then 53 angle, that's minutes. And then 16 angle seconds. So you just type it in and then hit enter, and it gives you the decimal form. So, and many calculators will have this functionality.